Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are solid, because interrupted recovery causes corruption. Once done, force Windows recovery environment by holding Shift while selecting Restart or by interrupting boot 3 times. This triggers WinRe so you can repair. You should also confirm you know an administrator password and have a secondary account available. This avoids lockouts when performing system repairs. Follow these steps now to reach the recovery menu. Do not attempt file changes until WinRe fully loads. Once in WinRe, pick Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. Start with Startup Repair because it automatically fixes boot configuration problems. If that fails, use System Restore or uninstall updates to revert recent faulty changes, which often resolves driver or patch issues. Make sure to run safe mode for minimal drivers, then open command prompt to run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These commands repair system files and component store. Proceed step by step. You finish by attempting reset this PC with keep my files when repairs don't restore stability. This reinstalls Windows while preserving personal data. Make sure to back up essential files first to one drive or a network location, because resets can still lose data in edge cases. If reset fails, check firmware settings, secure boot, SATA mode, and run a disk health check. Note specific error codes and smart values to diagnose drive failure. If problems persist, seek a USB recovery later with those details handy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.